In the heart of the Industrial Revolution, a spark of innovation ignited in the mind of a visionary German engineer named Karl Benz. Born in 1844, in the picturesque town of Mühlburg, Benz demonstrated an insatiable curiosity for mechanics from an early age. As the world trudged through the late 19th century, the horse-drawn carriage had become the primary mode of transportation. However, with the rapid advancements in technology, Benz envisioned a more efficient and revolutionary means of travel. Benz, a man of relentless determination, worked tirelessly in his small workshop, surrounded by blueprints, tools, and the hum of machinery. His vision was clear: to create a vehicle powered by an internal combustion engine, a concept that was unheard of in his time. In 1885, after countless trials and tribulations, Benz completed the blueprint for his masterpiece, the Benz Patent-Motorwagen. This three-wheeled, horseless carriage was unlike anything the world had ever seen. It boasted a one-cylinder engine, leather-covered wooden wheels, and a top speed of a mere 10 miles per hour. On January 29, 1886, the world bore witness to the birth of the modern automobile. Benz, with a heart full of anticipation, took the Patent-Motorwagen for its historic first ride. The vehicle, powered by a 954 cubic centimeters engine, roared to life, sending ripples of excitement and disbelief through the small town of Mannheim. The Patent-Motorwagen was met with skepticism and awe. Critics questioned its practicality and safety, while others marveled at the sheer audacity of Benz's invention. Despite the criticism, Benz remained undeterred, believing deeply in the potential of his creation. The Patent-Motorwagen paved the way for a new era in transportation. It marked the beginning of a revolution that would reshape cities, economies, and societies around the world. The automobile, once a distant dream in the mind of a young Karl Benz, had become a tangible reality, forever changing the course of history. In the annals of human achievement, the Benz Patent-Motorwagen stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of progress. It serves as a reminder that even the most audacious dreams can become reality with persistence, determination, and a dash of mad genius.